This video is intended to help you plan for and install KOHLER Grab Bars. Proper planning is key for installing grab bars because usability and having the proper structural support are both important to a successful installation. Grab bars offer support and stability and can be installed in the bath or shower area or near the toilet to assist with moving freely around your bathroom safely. This animation is intended as a supplement. Refer to the specification sheet online and the installation instructions packed with your product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instructions. KOHLER Grab Bars come in 3 sizes. The 9-inch bar has been tested to support up to 300 pounds, while the 16-inch and 24-inch bars have each been tested to support up to 500 pounds. With a number of design options available, there is something for every bathroom style, allowing for seamless and stylish integration. First, let's take a look at where grab bars can be installed in the bath or shower area. On bath shower installations, the back wall and the area between the shower head and valve are the recommended locations to install any grab bars. Height, angle, and grab bar length are all important aspects to consider. Generally speaking, the back wall is a great place for grab bars, positioned a foot or so above the rim of the bath. Grab bars on the back wall assist with sitting down and standing up, so placing these at an angle or pairing a vertical and horizontal bar together will allow for maximum usability. Directly beneath the shower head and right above the shower valve is also a great location. Having grab bars here helps with entering and exiting, as well as adjusting the water temperature or the shower head angle. For shower-only setups, grab bars will likely be used for entering and exiting the area. The back and side wall are still the recommended locations for grab bar installation. However, keep in mind the user's needs. Some users will utilize a shower chair, in which case sitting down and standing up are also important actions to account for. For showers, combining vertical and horizontal bars allows for a lot of versatility. Finally, let's take a look at where grab bars make the most sense for toilets. Height and angle are important factors to consider here. These grab bars are going to be primarily used when sitting down and standing up, so it is recommended to pair a horizontal and vertical grab bar together here, or install a horizontal bar at a 45-degree angle. Another useful location is directly above the toilet tank. Whether leaning over to flush the toilet or as a support when cleaning, having a secure place to hold on to makes any action in this area much safer and easier to perform. Once you have decided where to install your grab bar, ensure that there is structural support behind the finished wall. Then position the template on the finished wall at the installation location. Confirm the template is level. Then drill 3/16-inch pilot holes through the finished wall. Do not drill into the structural support. Remove the template. Clean up any debris and apply sealant to the holes. Loosen the set screws and remove the brackets from the grab bar. Secure the brackets to the wall with the provided screws. Position the grab bar over the brackets, then secure the grab bar to the brackets with the set screws. For more versatility, an optional towel bar or toilet paper holder can be installed to the KOHLER 9-inch and 16-inch grab bars. Warning: risk of personal injury. Accessory attachments are not safety products and should not be used to support weight. To install, simply twist and pull the ends from the grab bar. Line up the towel bar at the desired angle and secure each end with the hex screw. Then twist and press the end caps back into place.